One of the most common questions we get is, how long will the repair take? How long do I need to wait before it's done? And honestly, that's completely understandable. Most common drone repairs, the actual repair time is usually just 1 to 3 hours. That's the part people usually focus on. But here's the thing, serious repairs can take longer. Most of the time, the real delay isn't the repair itself. It's everything that happens before the technician even starts. Intake, inspection, troubleshooting, parts checking, all of that takes time. Before the magic happens, every drone has to go through 3 crucial steps: intake, inspection, and parts checking. Let's break down what that actually means. 1. Intake. First up is intake. This is the paperwork and logging side of things. It ensures your drone doesn't get mixed up with anyone else's, and it gives us a clear history of what happened, so our team knows exactly what to look for. Inspection and troubleshooting means the tech needs to make a full diagnosis on the drone unit before any progress can be made. So the real answer is, it depends on how smoothly that whole process of intake, inspection, and troubleshooting plus parts checking before the actual repair starts. Quick tip on this. If you walk into the shop unannounced, you might get lucky and get in front of the line, but if it's a busy day, you'll have to wait your turn behind the clients who booked ahead. 2. Inspection and troubleshooting. This isn't just a quick glance, it's a holistic top-to-bottom diagnosis led by our head technician. Why the head tech? Because it takes years of experience to spot the hidden, unseen internal damage that a standard check might miss. This is called holistic inspection process. By the way, if you want to know why drone inspection is such a specialized art, just drop us a message asking why repairing a drone is different, and we'll send you a quick 90-second video explaining it. 3. Parts checking. Finally, we have parts checking. We never want to open up your drone only to leave it sitting in pieces because a component is not in stock or not available. We verify that every single part needed is on hand before we start. It is only after going through these 3 steps can we provide an accurate assessment and explain the problem correctly and provide a proper quotation. The verdict, go or no go. Once we clear these 3 hurdles, we'll give you an accurate diagnosis and a proper quote. From there, the ball is in your court. You make the go or no go decision. If you decide to proceed with the repair, we waive our standard assessment fee. If you choose not to go ahead, there's just a flat 500 peso inspection fee for the tech's diagnostic time. Skip the line. Better options for you now. If you don't want to risk waiting in line at the shop, we have 2 incredibly convenient alternatives for you. The courier option, skip the commute entirely. You can send your drone to us via courier like LBC or Lalamove, or have someone drop it off. We'll handle all the communication and details with you smoothly online. Lastly, if you're far or maybe out in the provinces, you can use our online diagnostics. Just head over to dronerepair.ph/book-a-repair. Our system will guide you through a few targeted questions, and you can upload photos or videos of the damage. Our team will analyze it and send you an accurate quote, completely free, saving you both time and shipping costs before you even commit. So give your drone the care it needs, fly safe, and looking forward to meeting you.